Headed to JJ Market. Let's go. This is the best sticky rice. Oh yeah, I need you to pay for this though. I don't have any money.
You already ordered?
Yeah, I did. You want, look, they have ice cream?
Yeah, that's good.
We got I've been craving this stuff. Do you know if there's any toilets around? Hold this. Please. Thank you.
I want a piece of that mango.
Here, you need a piece of mango? You're a little closer. You wanna try? It's not as good as the other one in the mall, but it is still smack. I gave this one a 9 out of 10. Easily. Any day. Chad?
I think the rice was a little better at the last one.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
What's your final rating, Chad?
Good 8, good 9.
Oh.
It's pretty good. We need to go to the other one and get the other
Solid street mangoes.
Solid street mangoes.
Same. This place is massive. And extremely hot. It's cool because everything's so different here. It is hot. Scorching. Scorching hot.
What you need is a fucking umbrella.
Oh yeah, boy. No photo. Yes. People move when you hold your camera up, so... Oh, hey there. Alright, I think we're headed to Paragon now. Get some lunch, so let's go. Paragon? Huh? Paragon? Mall? The Paragon Mall?
Shopping mall.
Yeah. Well, we were gonna take the taxi, but the subway's right here. The market is huge. This is still part of it. It's dope. But it is super hot. Whew. The humidity gets you. It says no photos or videos right there. They have a subway and a SkyTrain here. The subway's colder. The SkyTrain is cooler. We made it. Time to get some food. Wow. Amazing. Literally coming down the escalator. I want Asian food.
I want like a taco so I can put it.
Okay, that's fine. Actual Asian food. I think this is so dope how they have like all the street food right here. Alright, we should not eat too much and get some street food after. Down? Down? We're like right in the middle of the walkway.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Come on, you can do it.
Okay, I need to focus.
Noodles with Jen.
I can't do it. I smoke them.
You gotta eat them once they're on there.
Okay, look, ready? This is lessons of noodles, boys. I think it's this one.
I had that going.
Or you can do this. I always switch between the two, honestly. But these ones are a little bit big. Gotta get that.
Whatever
Gotta
you
get
can
that
grasp.
angle. These ones are. Oh yeah. You just kind of just jam them in there like this.
Good fun, Adam. Good fun.
He's like, what is this fucking idiot doing? No. Are you doubting my skill? She really just brought it forward. Look at these. See, this is perfection. Chad, you're next. How's that? We need some beef. Where's the beef at? We need a fat piece of beef. Oh. Jen's. So far, Jen's the worst. Here, we got some rolls. How are they?
Oh, these are snack.
Prawns, veggie, beef. These are like the best spring rolls. Oh boy. Round 2.
Only time I got Bolo was because
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. They got birds here, bro.
you ain't fucking ready to bird.
Alright, now we're headed to MBK.
Half the time I just want to smack the shit out of
He said MBK is not stores.
It's shops.
Fucking idiot. It's not stores, it's shops. Bro, Chad, you wanted shops, not stores.
So you'll follow me. Let's go this way.
No, I don't really think so, bro. Adam don't know where the fuck he's going. For real, he don't. He's back. 24 seconds. You gotta hold 2 steps. This way is dope though.
Look at them all. 1, 2, 3. Sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy puppies.
I don't know what we're doing. We're being quiet. What the hell are we waiting for? What the hell?
What was that about?
Why did she say we had to be quiet?
I don't think she said she had to be quiet. She said just wait.
Oh, the president. I think it was the king that drove. Why do we have to be quiet though? I guess the king just drove underneath us. No one had to be quiet. Don't know why. Yeah, that was the king.
Him.
This thing is massive. We're gonna get the DJI today.